really exciting product we've been working on for quite a while. So we have a big problem in our cars. It's the stock intercooler. The cores have a small little bit of latency on both the front and the back of the cores, and the air goes right underneath it and straight into the throttle body without being cooled. So we've come up for a fix with that, and that's going to be our 300% larger in cooling capacity per bank RP 1000 intercooler kit. The kit's going to come fully assembled with all of the solenoids, everything that you need. It's going to come with 2 more injection port locations, NPT 1/8. Everything is going to be plug and play. The production units will all be CNC billet. This is the prototype you're looking at. It'll come with a increased capacity bottle for your coolant, and it will come with a jump box to replace the one on top of your stock intercooler core. So if you have any questions, like always, hit me up on my cell phone or direct message on Facebook. I'll talk to you guys soon.